Well, breakfast is done. Now it's time to go walk around residential neighborhoods. How's that sound? Come on along with me.
Asia mutu Jawa musim gugur di Asia ASEAN ฤดูใบไม้ร่วงในเอเชีย
Yeah, just cruising down the main strip of Kamala, and it's about maybe 2 miles long. Very busy, but it's still in its own way a really nice, quaint resort beach area. And you got like lots of restaurants and bars and convenience stores, and I'm gonna go walk into the residential area today and see what we can find, because that's always a lot of fun too. So here we go. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and narrate this part because I wasn't saying too much. I was dodging the big trucks and the Farangs on motorcycles. No, not really. I just was a little bit out of practice with the walkie-talkies. They're really out of shape. It's been 5 months since I left Mexico, and I haven't done very much at all. But I do about 5 miles a day when I am walking around taking video, and I really enjoyed this walk around Phuket town. I mean, this was in Kamala, sorry, and I enjoyed it a lot. And here is, I guess it's like a primary school letting out. As you can tell, it's a Muslim primary school. A lot of Muslims in Phuket, and actually down in southern Thailand. Having a little bit of problems down there with the government, but oh well. Anyways, this is a very beautiful, peaceful road. I wouldn't mind living on it. It's really nice and quiet and friendly people, and gosh, it was just so green and plants just growing up everywhere. It was really enjoyable to check it out. And okay, what do we got? Oh yeah, I just came across this beautiful place here. Just thought I'd get a couple shots of it. Now this next house here, that was a very beautiful house. First I thought maybe it was like an office or something, but it wasn't. It was really cool. I wonder what something like that would run you if Frank had owned land, but it was really nice. And here's Kamala Beach, and you can get a massage right there on the beach for about 300, 400 baht. And this little restaurant that I'm sitting at, I was talking to the owner, and she owned it when the tsunami came over about 18 years ago. And she says the water was up to the ceiling there. And I said, well, what did you do? She says, well, I saw the water go out. And I said, well, then what did you do? And she goes, I ran. Stupid question, stupid answer. But anyways, please subscribe, guys. And if you're still here at the end of this, thank you very much. And everybody, have a great day.